Hey, this is Dylan with RepairSpots. Today in this video, we're going to be going over the different repair types that you can create, the brands, and the device models for repair creation. We'll be covering the basics so that you can get started in repair creation and understand exactly how you and your team can manage this process. To get started, we're going to start from the home menu here. We'll just go to any of the create repair actions. To get to create repair, we can either go to this section here with the quick create actions and go to the repair button right there. Or we can go to the repair screen, and from the repair screen we have this little bubble icon, and we can create a repair from here as well. Once we're at this screen, here we're able to see the repair types that we already have created. There will be repair types by default if you've just opened the system for your first time and created your account, and these can all be modified and changed to your liking. If you handle any other kind of repair types, we can press on this plus right here, and we can add a new type. So for example, say your shop works on drones. We can add drone as a repair type. And then we'll be able to add all the diagnostic parts that we're going to check when one of these types of repairs comes into your shop. So say you always are diagnosing the motors. That can be a diagnostic part. We'll add up to 50 parts, as many as you need to properly diagnose that device in your shop, and then we can create that new repair type. If we're going to modify an existing repair type, phone for example, we can press on this edit icon, and then we'll see all of the different repair parts added to this repair type. All of these diagnostic parts can be deleted, and we can add a new one if we need to, if any of this is problematic for your store to diagnose. So find anything that's comfortable for your team to properly intake this repair type, and make sure that you have all the information required for your shop to work on this device. Next, let's get to our brands. So if we select phone, it's going to show us all the brands that belong to the phone. These brands can be shared between multiple repair types, so as we create a new brand, we'll be given the option to choose which repair types this brand belongs to. Here we clearly have all the different phone brands that would belong to a phone by default, and any new ones can be added if any are necessary. We can also choose computer, for example, and we'll see the repair brands based on that. If we were going to create a new brand, we can go create new brand. We'll add a brand name. Let's say for this case, we're going to add Microsoft. All right. And then just to keep this simple, let's go ahead and create a Microsoft phone. We can continue. Next, we'll choose the repair types that this belongs to. We created the Microsoft phone, so let's go ahead and add that to the phone repair type. And create. Perfect. All right. Now that that's set up, if we were going to create a new repair, we'll go to our repair quick action. We'll select the repair type. We'll select the brand that we're going to be working with. And we will select a device that belongs to that brand. These devices can also be created from this page here. So if we want to create any new device very quickly, then we can very easily add a new device from this page. And then we'll choose the problem that we're having. We can select any from this default list of the diagnostic, or we could choose other and then write it in manually ourselves. If we're going to go back, we can choose that icon, and then we can choose a different problem. And then the same thing for the device. If we want to choose a different device, maybe we mistakenly chose the wrong one, we can go back to brand and then choose the device that it is. There we have it.